Welcome to Design by Peck. This is my video on a toilet bowl flush valve repair. My tank or my toilet tank does not have a flapper like a lot of toilet bowl tanks do. It has a flush valve with just a gasket on the bottom. The tools you need for this repair are really none. You just use your hands, you twist things off, turn them back, twist them back on, and that's it. You don't need any tools to have this repair done. Things to look out for. There's not a lot to look out for. Make sure you have the water off. Make sure that you have the right gasket to do the repair. And other than that, just follow the instructions in the video and you'll be fine. And you'll be done in 5 to 10 minutes. Talk to you at the end. Thanks. Bye. So here's the inside of the tank. And I'm going to be changing the flapper or gasket, the bottom of the big cylinder in the middle there. It's pretty worn. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to be able to show it to you and you'll be able to see the damage or the deterioration of that gasket. Here I am, I'm flushing it just to see how long it takes to fill up initially. I did one test run. It was very slow to fill and it took about 5.5 minutes, 5 minutes and 45 seconds, which is a lot longer than it should. A typical toilet tank fills up in about 1 to 2 minutes. And this, as you can see, 5.5 minutes to fill up. Another possibility could be debris in the fill valve right there under the red cap, but I am changing the flush valve gasket. So here, just to remove it, it's a quarter turn, grabbing from the inside tube. And once you do the quarter turn, you pull it out. And then you're going to see, I'm going to show you the bottom of the flush valve, and you can see how worn that gasket is. So even if that's not the complete problem or the only problem, I'm definitely going to replace that. Here is the replacement I bought at Home Depot. It's just a generic gasket. It comes with two for some reason. One has a bit of a lip on the outer edge of it, and another one doesn't. I decided to use the one with the extra little lip for maybe extra grip if it ever has to come off again. And so there it is. You can see the little lip on the outside there. There's the old one and the new one. You can see how worn the old one is. To install it, you just kind of stretch it around the bottom of the flush valve. There's a groove in there that you gotta kind of stretch it around, and it kind of sits in place because once you've stretched it, and it's easy to stretch, and you put it over top, it's going to stay in place. You don't have to worry about it falling out. So it's kind of just in there. There's no lubricant, no sealant or anything that you need. So now to put this back, you can see it's an oval shape there on the bottom of the tank, and so you have to line up the oval shape on the bottom of the flush valve to be in line with that oval shape at the bottom of the tank. Once you have that lined up, you have to insert it in there and a quarter turn, and it's locked into place. And there you can see the oval shape on the bottom of the flush valve. So it's just like, once it's inserted, you just do a quarter turn, you're all set, it locks into place, everything should be sealed. Here I am demonstrating the quarter turn again, just so that you can see a better angle at it, because I think my shoulder was covering the camera angle last time. So now I just put the fill valve, or the hose into the flush valve top. I turn the water back on, so the tank's going to fill now, and the repair is now done. Very easy to do. I guess obviously check to make sure that there is no leaking, and there's really shouldn't be, because you're not really taking anything apart that would cause a leak for the toilet. And there we go. So you saw how easy that fix was. There's not a lot to it. You don't need any tools. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please hit the like button. And if you enjoyed the video, want to see more videos like this and other ones that I have, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you at my next video. Bye.